the oxidation of propanol to propanal using sodium dichromate in sulfuric acid. We've pre-weighed 1 gram of sodium dichromate, and the first thing to do is to dissolve that in 10 centimeters cubed of 1 molar sulfuric acid. So we measure out the sulfuric acid in the measuring cylinder. It doesn't have to be supremely accurate, and we dissolve that in the sidearm boiling tube that we've got here. So remove the thermometer. Be careful not to get the acid down the sidearm, so tilt the right way. In goes the acid. We might as well add some anti-bumping granules that we'll need later on at this stage, so just a few there. And then we add the sodium dichromate, and we then swirl. Perhaps take that to the, just pour that gently to the end just to get those last few crystals there that have stuck to the side. We can in fact push that down with a spatula. So we dissolve that. So swirl to dissolve, it dissolves quite nicely. We said we can push down these last two crystals here with the spatula. Just tilt to get all that solution, and that's dissolved quite quickly. The next stage is to cool down the mixture in the ice water bath here, and we're going to do that for approximately 5 minutes.